Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see more friends posts on Facebook. So, if you are not seeing enough of your friends' posts on Facebook after the latest updates, it may be due to Facebook algorithm changes or your feed settings. And this is how you can fix the issue and see more posts of your friends. The first one, you need to prioritize friends in your feed. So, Facebook allow you to set certain friends as a priority to see their posts appear first. And what you need to do is here on the home screen or Facebook newsfeed, you can just click on this three dots icon on any feed post up here and go to this manage your feed option. Tap on that, and here there are two things that you can do. The first one, you can add people or you add your friends as favorites to prioritize their posts on your feed. So what you need to do is just find the friends and then tap on add in here, and they will be labeled as favorites. So whenever they update a feed, their post will appear at the top of your news feed. And you can also add them as a reconnect, so you can reconnect with people or groups to start seeing their posts in feed. You can just tap on follow in here, and then you can also switch to the most recent feed. You can filter your feeds into the most recent. And the third one, you can also follow your friends like this one in here. You can use the reconnect and tap on follow to the friends that you want, or you can also click on search to search for a specific friend. And you can also try to interact with friends posts because Facebook prioritizes content from people you engage with. So you can try to liking, commenting, or share your friends posts. And you can also turn off the quiet mode because quiet mode reduces notification and updates which might hide posts. You can go to settings uh, in here and then find the quiet mode settings. I think the name is changed, but you can basically just turn that off. And you can also try to clear the cache and update the app so ensure you have the latest version of Facebook. If none of this step work, you can try to report the issue to the Facebook support team. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.